This is Silencio, the $750 silent build that's rocking the i5-7400 and an EVGA GTX 1060 superclocked. Speaking of the GTX 1060 superclocked, I'll actually be giving this away to 2 lucky subscribers with a very interesting twist at the end of this video, so make sure you guys stick around for that. So this wouldn't be a silent build without using silent parts, and who better to supply them than Be Quiet themselves, who is the leading brand when it comes to silence. I mean, it's practically in their brand name, Be Quiet. I've used their parts before on many builds on the channel, and I reached out to see if they can send me a few things for this PC. Since we have a locked processor, I picked up the Gigabyte B250M motherboard, since we are not going to be overclocking, and also save some money in the processor, as well as 8 gigs of RAM and the PureRock CPU cooler. After all, this is a silent build, so sticking with the stock heatsink defeats the purpose. Most people overlook the power supply when choosing parts for a silent build and don't realize that some of the noise comes from the fans. The Pure Power 10 does cost more than the average 500 watt power supply, and it's not fully modular, but if a silent build is what you're after, then this is something worth checking out. For storage, we are sticking with the usual 1TB hard drive from WD, and everything is packed inside the PureBase 600 window case, which I think is a bit overkill for this build because of all the extra unused space. It's a mid-tower chassis that features a fan controller in the front near the 2 USB 3.0 ports. There's a lot of space in here. You can fit up to a 360mm radiator on the top and front of the case. And obviously it's sound insulated with dampening materials on the top, sides, and front, unless you pick up a window version like I have in the video, where instead of a sound dampening side panel, you get a tempered glass panel instead, which looks really cool. But even with the glass panel, the PC is quiet, and here's a quick demonstration of how quiet it really is during full load. And just for fun, I'm gonna keep the side panel off. So yeah, I wasn't kidding when I said this was a silent build. I also want to quickly mention that the cable management areas are awesome in this tower. I mean, I would have loved to see more tie areas near the top, but I managed to work with what was available for a very clean job. There's a lot of cable grommets and cutouts that made the cable management extremely easy. And if you ever need more space in here, you can always remove the hard drive cages really easily from the back. For 5-strike benchmarks, Silencio scored 9715, putting it way up there above my previous budget builds and pretty close to Phoenix, which was using an i5-6500 and a GTX 1060 6GB graphics card. And looking at render times, it actually didn't do bad compared to other PCs except Titania. I mean, that's obviously an exception since that had a 6900K. But again, I need to emphasize that this isn't an editing PC. Although you can use it for content creation and gaming, it's just not going to be as effective compared to a 6 or 8 core processor. So if you constantly use multi-threaded applications, then this PC is not for you. Anyways, here are the gaming benchmarks done in 1080p. So there you have it, a beast silent gaming PC that will get you over 60 FPS in high or max settings in 1080p. As always, all the parts are linked down below if you want to check it out. Alright, so now it's time for the giveaway. So 2 lucky subscribers will win an EVGA GTX 1060 superclocked GPU, and this is how this giveaway, as well as all future giveaways on the channel, will happen. So for each giveaway, there will be at least 2 winners, you and your friend. Giveaways will be running on Nice, where you can share with your friends via SMS, Facebook, and Twitter. The more you share, the more it increases your chances of winning. It's very simple. Giveaways are a great way to give back to my viewers, so I'm excited that you can have your friends join in and win at the same time. And by the way, this giveaway is for everyone around the world. Make sure you guys click on the link below in the description section to check out the giveaway, and also all of my giveaways will be in one place, so you can bookmark this link if you like. Regarding the winners, the announcement will be made via push notification, and winners will be able to claim their prize by verifying their identity and providing the shipping address all inside the app. So make sure you guys have push notifications enabled. This way I don't have to hunt down winners over email, and winners can get their prizes on time. But that is it for this video. As always, if you guys enjoy my monthly PC builds, leaving a like really helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.